Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could pack up the house and move? This is Reacher with Mind's-Eye Design, and here are 7 folding homes that do just that. Number 7. How cool would it be to just ship your home anywhere in the world? If you own one of these, that's an option you could take advantage of. The wing house is a little bit of prefab awesomeness integrated into a standard shipping container. The ease with which it can be transported makes for a dwelling that is suitable for long or short-term needs. It starts with a 20 or 40-foot container providing 452 and 883 square feet of space respectively. Each unit comes completely wired for TV, internet, and telephone. There's also pipes in the walls for AC and plumbing. Units can be joined end-to-end, side-to-side, or stacked to create larger structures, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. After arriving on site, it takes only 4 to 5 hours to have a fully functioning unit with no special skills or equipment needed to set one up. A variety of floor plans are available to suit housing needs, with prices ranging from $65,000 up to about $90,000. Number 6. Designer Richard Perkin not only sold his house, he also quit his job of 10 years to invest everything into his dream of living a more conscious way of life with no environmental impact. NoHA Bios is a 2-story, 800 square foot house that folds down into the size of a shipping container for easy transport if needed. Each floor of this not-so-tiny house is 20 feet by 10 feet with a 7-foot ceiling below and a 5 to 8-foot ceiling up top. An open-plan kitchen and bathroom provide enough space to serve as storage areas for belongings while the unit is being transported. Perkins' goal is for the house to be sustainable no matter where you move. He plans to incorporate a garden in the apex of the roof, composting systems for all organic waste, as well as gray water recycling. He also wants to make the design available to as many people as possible by creating the structure from off-the-shelf materials and components so that anybody can build it for themselves at a minimum cost. The cost of the prototype is expected to be in the $22,000 range. Number 5. EBS Block is a modular prefab created from a 20-foot shipping container. Each has a basic structure of steel, aluminum, and glass and comes in 3 models. The structure is opened and folded via remote control in about 5 minutes, and since the deployment is fully automated, there's no construction needed. Its innovative design provides a total living area of 581 square feet. This space can be partitioned for 1 or 2 bedrooms, a dining area, kitchen, living room, and a bathroom with laundry facilities. There's also the option to place more than one unit together if extra living space is needed. Thermal insulation technology provides a reduction of the internal building temperature down to 80% of the outside, which helps the house stay cool in the summer and maintain warmth in the winter. Pricing is dependent on the buyer's requirements and specifications. Additionally, the company will ship worldwide, which offers limitless possibilities and applications. Number 4. The M.A.Di is a 21-foot high A-frame that comes in several sizes ranging from 290 square feet up to 904 square feet. Each 2-level home comes with a dining area, kitchen, and bathroom on the lower floor with the bedrooms on the upper. Rooftop solar panels, LED lighting, water tanks, and a gray water system can easily be installed. Additionally, the electrical wiring, plumbing, and HVAC systems are already in place. The multifunctional prefab structure is shipped flat via truck to its building site. Once there, it can be unfolded and set up in about 6 to 7 hours by 3 workers. The home can be installed with or without a foundation as a temporary or a permanent structure. Owners have the option to extend the structure by adding more modules, as each one can support the home's opening and closing movement. Each home takes about 30 to 40 days to complete from the date of the initial order. The approximate price range is between $26,000 and $73,000. Okay everyone, before you run out to invest all your money in shipping containers, I'd like to remind you to hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest from Mind's-Eye Design. Number 3. This luxury home by Blue Homes is their largest and most iconic to date. The house is designed and built around their signature breeze space, which is the center of the structure. Expansive glass windows and doors allow for an open interior that maximizes the use of natural light and clean airflow. The house itself is 2,140 square feet. It has 3 bathrooms and is standard with 3 bedrooms, offering an option for a 4th. The house comes with all standard appliances, electrical and HVAC systems, and low-flow fixtures to help save water. Each home is factory built and finished on site in less than 3 months. There's also the option of adding Blue Home models together, offering the flexibility of having more living space or a home workspace. Unlike most of the homes on this list, the Breezehouse does have to have a foundation to deploy on. The company is currently only building in Northern California, with a base cost for the Breezehouse at $545,000. Number 2. The Tri-Tainer by Excalibur Shelters is mostly intended for use in situations where a turnkey shelter is needed, such as disaster relief areas or scientific expeditions. There are 2 floor plans, one with 388 square feet and one with 431 square feet. And like most on this list, these utilize a 20-foot shipping container. Once on site, the structure is anchored with self-lifting jacks. Deployment can then be done in about 20 minutes by 2 people manually or via a remote-controlled hydraulic system. Each unit comes with a built-in water system that has a 172-gallon tank for fresh water. An integrated skylight composed of a translucent polycarbonate 250 times stronger than glass allows natural lighting in addition to the included LED lighting. Solar panels and a 185-gallon gray water tank are options as well. The interior can be modified to fit any budget. It's also possible for the roof to open via the remote control, allowing for the interior to be changed for use in multiple applications. Before we show our number 1 pick, we'd like to ask you to let us know after the video which of these folding homes you'd like to live in. As always, we read every comment and welcome all suggestions. Number 1. Tenfold Engineering has raised the bar on what a folding structure should be. These homes incorporate the performance characteristics of a solid building into a transportable prefab unit. Each one is made of only 3 components: the pods, the panels, and the chassis. They're designed to be moved again and again, yet ready to use upon deployment. No foundation is needed due to legs and outriggers that adjust for uneven ground. Additionally, no builders or special machinery is needed on site. Once the unit is set, the expansion occurs from the central chassis. It self-deploys with the touch of a button in under 10 minutes to about 3 times its transport size. Furniture and appliances integrate seamlessly into the unit with ample room for power systems, water storage and treatment, HVAC, and any other needed equipment. The modularity of the components allows for easy upgrading or replacement without disruption to any of the other systems. The interchangeable pods let the user incorporate any arrangement of windows, panels, and doors to suit almost any purpose. They can even be stacked and connected in almost any way to create larger structures. There are no geographical boundaries to where these can be installed, which allows for a variety of applications including offices, restaurants, schools, and medical facilities. The company is licensing their technology so that existing manufacturers can adapt to build and assemble the product closer to where it is needed. They hope to lower production costs in addition to promoting employment on the local and regional level. There are multiple buildings to choose from on the company's website. Pricing will be dependent on size, complexity, location, and other logistics.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.